In the Badlands, where the dry winds roam, Kevin Crocodile was fighting for his home. Bubba Chicken strutted with feathers so bright in the heart of the desert, ready to ignite with a spurred boot stomp. The tension was thick, the showdown was set, each ready to stick. In the dust and the grit, they battled for fame. Crocodile and chicken, full steak and claim. But Jack came a riding quick as a whip. He turned their wild showdown into a savory trip. Beneath the sun they squared off, real tight, claws and beaks clashing, a wild fierce fight. But from the shadows a rider appeared strong, Jack the cowboy with a vengeance so long. With a flick of his wrist he drew without doubt, aiming for trouble, he knew what it's about. In the dust and the grit, they battled for fame. Crocodile and chicken, both staking their claim. But Jack came a riding, quick as a whip, turned their wild showdown to a savory trip. From gator to gravy, the legends come true. In the pot, they are mixing chicken and stew.